Welcome back, Divine Family, to my channel. Today, we are going to see a reading regarding your next home or your new home. Okay, how it is going to be, and everything in depth. All right. So you have two piles in front of you. One is the blue stone. The other one is the pink one, which is the rose quartz. So either you can select pile number one with the blue stone or pile number two with the pink stone. Okay, or you can watch the entire reading as guidance. All right, thank you. All right, pile number one, welcome to your reading. So these are your cards, which says five of wands, seven of wands, 10 of wands, five of pentacles, the tower card, the hermit, the moon, the lovers, ace of pentacles, justice, and get more information. Okay, and at the end of this reading, I would be giving you a spell for your house. Okay, so starting with your reading, pile number one, there's so much of wands into this reading. Okay, so what I see is when you would be buying a home, there would be a lot of pressure on you. Okay, either you are like handling too much pressure or in your office, at your home, there's a lot of burden, or else you would be planning to buy a new house and you would be like taking advice from your family. You would be having discussion over it, and everybody is having a different opinion. So it will just become difficult for you to stick to one decision or to take one decision and to move ahead. Okay, you'll feel very burden, you'll feel very much pressurized. See, pile number one, this is what the cards say. Okay, but at the end of the reading, it is positive. Okay, initially, though it states like there's a lot of pressure, that there's a lot of burden you are trying to hold upon, it would be like, situation where now, you need to buy house also, but at the same time you are struggling in your life. That can be financially, or that can be like work wise, there's a lot of pressure, but you are handling that pressure because you have this plan of buying a house, so you cannot leave your job now, or you cannot switch because because of your needs. Okay, but what I see is there is going to be a transformation in this situation very soon. Okay, wherein all this burden, all this anxiety, this pressure is going to shed off from your life, and universe is going to intervene into this decision of yours. Okay, you are going to start spending a lot of time with yourself. You're going to think, you want to take a wise decision, you want to take a decision where it is not, which would be in your favor, and which would be like you, which would be a profitable agreement for you. Okay, there would be a bit confusion, or you can say choices or options available for you. I see at the same time, while you would be buying a new house, okay, there would be a new love interest into your life entering at the same time, or you would be getting married, or if you are into already a relationship, then it would be like the roots of your relationship would get more deepened. Okay, and if it is a marriage that is happening, then it is going to bring a lot of financial prosperity into your life. Okay, where you are able to attract a lot of abundance. Okay, that opposite person, whether it's your girlfriend or whether it's your wife, can bring a lot of abundance in your life, by which you would be able to fulfill your dream of new house. Okay, initially, even though you are having struggles and you're finding it difficult to obtain that stability, but as days passes by and you are like working hard, you would be able to obtain that stability, and you would be able to take the right decision which is going to benefit you in the future. Okay, I see you either getting into a new relationship at that phase of your time, or it's an engagement, or it's an marriage. Okay, where it is going to then bring luck and fortune into your life, and that will help you to fulfill your dream of your new house. Okay, and if I have to ask universe how that new house would be for you, okay, what is the blessing that the new house would give you? Okay, so let me just. Oh, nice. You have got King of Wands, okay, which says that house would be very attractive. It would be a luxurious house, of course, and that house would be liked by many people. You will get a lot of compliments. Might be the interior would be very detailed interior of that house, because see, the wall behind this King of Wands, there's a lot of detailing done. So you would be also doing a lot of detail interior in your house. The colors that you would use would be very eye catching, and people are going to like it, people are going to compliment you, and that would be also a big house, not a small one. Okay, not a regular space. That is what I can see. And of course you're going to enjoy your luxury, and you're going to enjoy the prosperity once you enter that house. Okay, from the angel guidance, what I have got is, get more information, where the angels want to guide you and tell you that before making any decision or buying any new property, you need to get more depth information, so that there's no, there's no chance of you getting cheated, or you are not unaware of any clause or this thing, because nowadays these agreement has many clauses, so there can be chances you're not you won't be aware of a particular clause or something. And so angel wants to tell you that get in detail information, be aware of everything before signing any document, and then go for that particular choice that you want to move ahead with the your new house. Okay, the spell that I want to give you in order to manifest this house in your life is, what you want to do is, gather one sandalwood, okay, one part of sandalwood, three parts of camarilled dried sage leaves. Okay, and then what you need to do is put it into bowl, place the mixture in a ceramic incense burner and cleanser, and light the mixture. Okay, open the window and doors when you are burning this clearing incense, so that the bad energy can be released out. It is also advisable to use this clearing incense if there have been any arguments or illness in your household. Okay, so wherever you are staying right now, pile number one, you need to perform this ritual in order to manifest this house in your life, in order to manifest this prosperity in your life. Okay, so I hope you would have got the correct instruction, what is being told. Okay, you can either write it down and perform it every day till your dream comes true. You need to take sandalwood, right? Sandalwood and sage leaves. Okay, and then put it in a this glass bowl and let it burn. Open your windows and doors. Do it every day, and this will definitely help you to manifest this house in your life, this positivity in your life. Okay. All right, Paivan. I hope this would have brought some clarity to you. Thank you. All right, pile two. Those who have chosen the pink stone or the rose quartz, welcome to your reading. These are your cards, and you have got Four of Cups, the Temperance, Page of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, Two of Cups, the Sun, Knight of Wands, King of Cups, the Empress. From the angel guidance, you have got it's up to you. Okay, and I would be giving out a spell or a ritual today for your manifestation of house. Okay, very positive rating pile number two. What I can see is for you right now, what's happening is you are having very high expectations regarding the house that you want. Okay, you are right now into that financial state where you can buy a good house, but your requirements are pretty much high and different from what right now you're looking about. Okay, so very soon I see you taking up a decision of buying this house. Okay, financially also I see you will be capable of having, because you have got the pentacle cards, so financially also you would be very stable and you would be having that money to buy that particular house of your choice. Okay, a lot of abundance, clarity, prosperity is coming in your life. Pile number two, if you want help or a partnership, like nowadays house can be like both husband and wife can invest in the same house, right? So seems like you would be able to do that as well. If you're expecting your other half to, if you're married and your wife also to invest in it, it can be that way also. Or else if you need help, you will get help also. The help can be any kind of help, that can be financial, mental, physical, or any kind of help that you need to make this dream come true. Okay, there's a lot of positivity around you when you're going to buy this house. Okay, your house is going to filled with lot of positivity. I see there's a lot of sun rays would you would come into your house. So I see that you would love to buy a house where you can see lot of greenery, lot of nature, and it has that view that everybody crave right now. So there would be lot of sun rays that would be coming to your house, and there's your house would be very much pretty, attractive. You will get a lot of compliments for your house. The detailing would be very much presentable. I see there's a couple, so there's a King of Cups and the Empress. Both are, enjoying the luxuries of the life. So that can be in your house, you'll feel lot of comfortable, lot of love, lot of uh, you'll be able to enjoy very much delicious food. Uh, yeah, and all the this thing festivals also you guys will celebrate with lot of love. So if you are single, so definitely once you enter that house, you will be into a relationship, or might be there is an engagement or an event happening. So might be you'll get married and when you are staying in that house. And if you're already married, then your life is going to go into a next dimension in a very higher status. Okay, that house is going to bring you a lot of prosperity, lot of name, fame, lot of success. That house is going to bring you good fortune. That new house is going to bring you success. I see you overcoming all the obstacles in your life. I see you enjoying all the luxuries, you celebrating all the festival with lot of love and warmth around you. um Yes. Also, mentally and emotionally, you'd feel very much satisfied and happy once you are into that house, okay? And if I have to ask you how that house will look like to angels, okay, let me just pull up one card for you. Oh, nice. Victory card. So, pile number two, once you buy that house, there would be lot of victory and success, recognition, name, fame coming into your life. You would also be into a power position. You could also become a leader. Career wise, also you're growing. There's a lot of opportunity for you. There's a lot of success waiting for you. So this house is going to be very lucky for you, pile number two. This reading is also very lucky, I feel like, because there's no negative card into this reading. Angels wants to tell you it's up to you, like, of course, because they are already ready to offer you, but you are having high expectations, which is a good thing as well. So it's up to you to take the decision which house would you like to go for. Okay. And also I would like to give spell to you in order to manifest this house very soon into your life. So what you need to do is, in a red cup, mix half teaspoon of jasmine oil, half teaspoon of rose oil. With a cotton ball, touch it to your clean cotton sheet 7 times. From where you rest your head to your feet. Once off for each chakra point. Okay, so it's basically your bed. Okay, where you sleep. So half spoon of rose oil and jasmine oil with a cotton, just touch it on your sheet of your bed, okay? Rightly from your head to toe. And then you need to say this loud. In this bed, I show my love. In this bed, I share my body. In this bed, I give my heart. In this bed, we are one. Here, my happiness lies as I give and live in total joy. Blessed be to me and thee. Now lie down and roll around in the bed. After all, that's what it is for. So, in order to manifest this positivity, this pure love, this purity, and this love in your life, just write down this spell and you can perform this on every Fridays, okay? So that you are able to manifest this dream of yours as soon as possible in your life, which is going to bring a lot of tremendous success in your life. You're going to get name, fame, a lot. Okay, I hope this wish comes true. I hope this reading comes true for my pile number two. I'll pray for it. Okay. All right, pile number two. That's it. I guess this would have brought some clarity to you. Thank you.